Here is a wonderful 2018 Kia Niro. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. From daily drives to epic road trips, this Niro has you covered. This hybrid crossover offers a smooth, quiet ride, ample cargo capacity, flexible interior layout, and advanced safety tech, as well as an array of passenger conveniences. Get ready to build new family memories. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, keyless start, satellite radio, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, multi-zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, stability control, rear spoiler. Whether you need an efficient cargo hauler or a refined road trip cruiser, this Niro has your back. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make your experience easy and fun.